Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I will show you how to on and use keyboard glide tapping. Friends, what is keyboard glide tapping and how to on and use keyboard glide tapping today friends, I am going to show you in this video. So before starting the video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friend, first of all we will on guys oppo phone setting. After on phone setting I scroll it. Friends, you can see this type setting in your oppo mobile. So guys, click on guys your oppo phone additional setting we will on. Friends, first you can see language setting is here. You want to add any language for your phone, so you can add from here. A date and time guys you want to set, you can set from here. So friends, third option keyboard setting, click here. Available keyboard guys, gboard setting is here, click here. Then guys scroll it. Glide tapping is here, we will click on glide tapping. So guys, first again we will on from here glide tapping, and how to on, come back, and how to use guys. Now we will on keyboard. So how to use this glide tapping. So once you want to on like in setting like how you want to write how to, and guys you want to write solve problem phone off on setting okay setting. So guys you can see how house hot or so like that guys we can use guys this keyboard glide tapping guys, and you can use it. So I hope once you understood how to on and use guys glide tapping, and once you don't want to use, you can turn off from guys your keyboard setting glide tapping. We will off from here. After guys you can see guys we cannot use get this glide tapping. So you will have to one by one tap like how to off. So like that guys we cannot use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope once you understood how to on and off glide tapping and how to use in oppo phone device. So bye bye guys.